The Helicoid Epoxy Sleeve is an innovative diverless repair system for the strengthening and protection of offshore risers and conductors, with the main focus on the splash zone area. The sleeve can accommodate multiple diameters, ranging from 150 to 750 millimeters. Access to the working area is provided by rope access or a working platform. The Helicoid surface preparation system allows for diverless cleaning using ultra-high pressure water blasting up to bare metal. The system allows for full circumferential movement and cleaning of the pipe. The telescopically extendable blasting frame is then attached. Fully extended, the system allows for surface preparation up to 3.00 meters below the water level. Conducted in 3 stages, each over a length of approximately 1.5 meters. The blasting process is repeated until the intended length of blasting section is achieved. The water blasting is capable of removing marine growth, rust, and neoprene coating until a bare metal surface profile is restored, in accordance with SSPC SP12-WJ3. Winding of the polyethylene sleeve will now commence. The air-driven winding cage for the installation of the polyethylene sleeve is installed onto the pipe. The carbon fiber reinforced polyethylene strip is inserted into the winding cage, where it mechanically interlocks and winds helically around the pipe, allowing an annulus of 35 to 40 millimeters. After an initial winding of approximately 1.00 meters, the sleeve is trimmed and the lower end cap is installed before fully winding the sleeve to the required length. The Helicoid Epoxy Sleeve can be installed up to a length of 10 meters. The final step is epoxy grouting using the Tremie method. Once the epoxy grout overflow collector is placed at the top of the sleeve, the special formulated structural epoxy grout mixture is injected to the bottom of the sleeve. As the epoxy grout fills up the annulus, the water present is displaced. A final layer of grout is placed at an angle at the top of the sleeve to avoid water pooling. Overall installation is completed with the placement of the top end cap. The Helicoid Epoxy Sleeve, a cost-effective, diverless, corrosion-resistant, and lightweight repair system for the strengthening and protection of risers and conductors.